Nothing beats a warm, hearty bowl of beef and vegetable soup, especially when it's packed with rich flavors and wholesome goodness. Today, I'm sharing my delicious recipe that's not only comforting but also super easy to make. Tender beef, fresh veggies, and a flavorful broth. This soup is the perfect meal for any day of the week. Let's get started. Start by cutting 600 grams of steak into cubes. In a pot, add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil and start frying the beef until brown. Add salt and pepper to taste and then set aside. In the meantime, prepare the base for the soup by cutting roughly 7 medium-sized potatoes into large cubes. Transfer to a pot and cook for approximately 18 minutes on low heat until the potatoes are fork tender. Then in a large pot, add any vegetables of your choice. Add 4 cups beef stock, or just until all the vegetables are covered. Add salt and pepper to taste. Cook the vegetables for approximately 20 minutes on low heat. When the potatoes are cooked, remove them from the heat and mash them. No need to remove the water. Now add the potatoes to the vegetables. Then the cube steak. Cover with a lid and cook for another 30 minutes. And there you have it, a hearty, delicious beef and vegetable soup packed with rich flavors and wholesome goodness. Perfect for a cozy meal any time of the year. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!